Welcome everybody to the channel. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that hype button, and we're going to get over here and talk about Fetch.ai. We're going to get on the chart. Fetch.ai, the cryptocurrency, AI cryptocurrency. Fetch.ai, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. So we look at the price of Fetch.ai and it's 0.1222, down 1.33% on the day. We're fixing to roll over in a new day, and I do see neutral to bearish pressure setting on Fetch.ai. It's more than likely we hit it down to 11.5 to 10 cent range. We get over here. We see here that we got way down in the oversold zone on the RSI. We did come back up. We got a bounce hit. We trying to push up, but showing some weak momentum here on the RSI, staying in the sold zone of the RSI. Look like we just got a little relief bounce on the on the MACD. Look like we could push up a little bit more, showing somewhat of a relief bounce here. The MACD has crossed the signal line and it's still headed up on the 4-hour chart. Let me look at the 1-hour chart right quick. Showing a little bit of bearish pressure. It came back down. It's got a bounce, and it hasn't crossed that signal line yet. But somewhat it looks like we're getting a relief bounce going into this new day we're fixing to roll into. You could see Fetch.ai try to, let me get back over here on trading view, retest this range right here at 12.4 cent at the 236 right here. We consolidated, fell below it, come down to the bottom of the Fibonacci. We went back up and retested it twice now. Both times getting a rejection. We spiked all the way up to 3 at 2, got a hard rejection back down. And right now when we roll into the new day, we're fixing to roll into the day, you could see Fetch come back down to the zero right here, about 12 cent. And then try again, but I do believe the way everything looks on the chart that we're going to continue, maybe come down somewhere like this and try to retest, maybe get a rejection before, and somewhere, end up coming down here between 11.5 and 10 cent. Showing bearish pressure right now on Fetch.ai. We have positive funding rates. They ain't too positive. A little bit of longs. Could have a long squeeze right here after we do get somewhat of a relief bounce. But we're sitting at near the top of the Stochastic RSI, showing that we could come down. Stochastic, like I say, it's not looking good for Fetch. To be honest with you, I do believe we hit it down to somewhere between 11.5 and 10 cent. So look for that for the next couple of days. We did have the funding rates is slightly increasing, getting squeezed out. As we consolidate right here, could push down a little bit further. Volume, the CVD volume is steady decreasing. Let's see if we show there is a little bit of accumulation, but not enough. You can see right here on the chart, this is the price of Fetch is pushing up while the CVD is pushing downward. It's getting kind of flat right now. but that shows a little accumulation on the, spot buying on Fetch.ai, but it's not enough that I see in the charts to reverse this. But like I say, we setting up right in the top of the RSI. We could somewhat see a relief bounce, but it's not going to be nothing. I'm seeing that to reverse this and go up higher. So we could be headed back down closer in the oversold zone of the RSI. But like I say, we got a red candle starting the new day out. And it's showing signs headed towards 11.5, 10 cents. Not to be the one to come here and give you a bad news or a bad report. I like Fetch. It just looks like we're going to be able to accumulate it at some cheaper prices. And that might be the bottom of Fetch.ai, gradually coming down to somewhere between 10 cents and 11.5 cents. Before we see a reversal, see right now on the Stochastic, the RSI, it's turning downward a little bit. But like I say, we could be coming down a little bit lower. I thought maybe we would get another attempt back up to get above this 236 right here, but it don't look like we fell out of this range up here. We was ranging from 14 cent down to 13.2 cents, and we lost that. Now we could range up here a little bit, like I say, a day or so before heading lower, breaking down to a lower low. And I'll be back tomorrow. If y'all want another update tomorrow on Fetch.ai, let me know in the comments. But share it, tell somebody about the channel. But like I say, watch that 12 cent range right here at the zero. Keep watching it. We fall below that and we can't regain support. We hit it down here to 11.5 cent. To get bullish again, we need to get it back above that 12.4, 12.5 range right there above that 236 and hold that as support to see some type of a reversal on Fetch.ai. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Glad you come by. Glad you enjoyed it. Till the next time, God bless you. We'll see you on the next one.